In today's video, I am going to teach you YouTube not working on old Smart TV 4.4. If your TV is running Android 4.4 KitKat, you might see YouTube crash, show errors, or refuse to open. That's because newer versions of the app no longer support this older system. The good news is, you have a few practical options. Install an older, compatible YouTube APK. Use a trusted third-party app source, or connect a separate streaming device. I will walk you through the APK method using up-to-down. Then mention the alternatives so you can choose what works best for you. On your TV, open the built-in web browser. Go to the up-to-down website and search for YouTube for Android TV. Open the app page, then look for the section labeled Other Versions. This is where you can find earlier releases that tend to work better on Android 4.4. Select an older version, then choose Download. If the site asks for confirmation, continue, and wait for the file to finish downloading. When the download completes, open the file to start the installation. Your TV may prompt you to allow installations from this source. That's a normal security check. Approve the prompt to continue. If you see a warning about replacing an existing app, confirm that you want to install. Give it a moment. Installations on older TVs can take a bit longer. When it's done, select Open or find YouTube in your apps list and launch it. If the app opens but video playback is choppy or you get errors, go back to up-to-down's other versions and try a different older release. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 tries to find the sweet spot that your specific TV handles well. If you are asked to update the app after installation, skip the update. Newer versions are often the reason it stopped working in the first place. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: only download from sources you trust. Avoid tapping on unrelated pop-ups. And let the installer finish without switching apps. If you are worried about storage space, make sure you have enough free space before installing. If none of the APK versions behave well on your TV, consider using a separate streaming device. A simple streaming stick or box connected to your TV's HDMI port gives you the latest YouTube app and ongoing support, without relying on your TV's outdated software. That's it. Thanks for watching.